And then once you guys get up, y'all get everybody tucked in.
Go right ahead.
Alright.
He beat me to it. I didn't even do anything. There you go.
Earlier today, there was a deer standing right here, but I think he left.
Getting to that time for Thursday, we were coming in 5 about this time, and deer was on the platform, walked off the platform, just kind of gave me a weird look, walked about 10 feet into the woods, and bedded down. And she just stayed there and just watched me the whole time everyone came in.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
It's a weird area we live in.
Yeah. They're used to it. All right, guys. Welcome to line 4. A lot of people like this line. This is the fastest one we've been on so far. It's not the fastest of the day, though. A lot of people like this line because it is different. As you can see, we're starting out in what's essentially a tree tunnel. Then as we're going down, we're going to break out, be out in the open air for a little bit, just a couple seconds, and then you're back in the trees again. When you finally go back in the trees on the other side is when you'll finally start to see me. I'll be on the other platform down there. Maybe. There's a water station nearby. I like to wander. I'm thirsty. But
temperatures are good though. They're really good.
it's not too hot today, so you should be safe. There's another platform, kind of like this one where you land in. So I'm going to bring you guys in. Make sure you stand up on the top and stand up on the opposite side of me, just like you did the last one. Other than that, see you down there.
Alright.
See ya.
Mad skills.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and step up here. And then right after this one, we do have that second rope bridge, so
Okay.
you got to prepare yourself to bounce the people off and, you know. Righty, and then as soon as we get his go-ahead, you'll be good. Alright, you're good to go. Alright, you want to step down for me?
Alright.
Line clear. Like you can see it down there now, but the red barrel down there,
Yeah.
that's what they're aiming at with the rocks.
Oh.
Because that line right there is line 5, that's our next line.
That looks fun. Yeah.
Is the phone good?
That trash can, that barrel. That's what they were throwing the rocks in.
Oh. Okay, sit down for me.
I was gonna try to foot brake, but I chickened out.
Yeah. I haven't tried that yet.
Man, Dustin's really good at it.
Yeah, Dustin and Chase are both kind of crazy.
Well, yeah, they're here now.
Well, I'm here pretty much just as much as Dustin anymore, but I'm not trying that. I got kids at home.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys want to go ahead and follow me? bounce that back there.
Not me.
Not you, huh?
I don't know about that.
Blaming them? Okay.